Yes, Biafrans. You know, I told you I was going to come here to open our eyes. Yeah? Remember in September, 5th of September, 2024, when Enugu State governor came out to say that 1,097,000 was missing from Enugu State account. That account was hacked. Are we connecting the dots? Now, this was the reason why. This is...
Yes, my people. This video that you're about to watch, it has finally exposed the secret that I've been hiding for you for long. Yes, we told you that on this channel, on this global love, we are not here to blab, we are not here to cascade, we are not here to tell lies, we are here to bring the news the way it is. We bring it open, live and direct, all of us will witness it. Please, my wonderful people, do well and watch this video to the very end of it. Share this video, because this video that you're about to watch, it will shock, it will surprise you, because what is happening that you don't know, what is behind the screen that you don't know, my brother, it will shock you. Yes, it's a man blowing. Cool down yourself and watch this video to the very end of it, because the evidence is clear. The breeze has finally blown and the foul niche have already opened. Please don't be offended that I use that word. My people, I told you that this 2025 is going to be very terrible for those who say they will not give, they must give by force. If you guys could remember when Enugu State they come out and announced that almost a 1.something billion was stolen from the accounts. Is that not funny? I bring this in for you because a lot of people that in Thomases don't know what is happening. Yeah, my people, what that thing that I be hidden, you will know it today. And don't forget that even very dark man, very black dark man already said it before. But you people is like you people don't notice it. Yeah, I'm going to play it so that you see it live and direct. Please do well and watch this video to the very end of it. Don't skip any part. Watch it to the end. Yes, let's go in there and watch it. Don't go anywhere. Nigeria is terrible. African life matters. Don't support injustice. Always expose evil so that injustice have no room to stay. Because an injustice for one is an injustice for all. Let's go in there and watch it unfold.
The reason why they wanted to use that money to set our prime minister up. My name is Gonono. Prime Minister Kalaka Kaja. When I tell you that Nigeria is highly corrupt, you people think we're stupid, we're joking. And that is why somebody can come and tell you people here that they shouldn't mind me, that I work for the Nigerian agents and that I'm not involved in any government. Nigeria is a terrible country. Tinubu is a criminal. You see, no wonder the Enugu State governor was shouting, bragging, I have evidence to bring forward. Now that we need that evidence in Finland, these animals could not come again to defend that. You will hear this whole news from, what is it called, VDM, about the missing fund in September. So that money was paid into Ogenkere's account to blackmail the account of Biafrans, to blackmail our prime minister. You see that the dot is connecting. So you people should not think we carry fake news, because I dared that animal called Man on Mission, because I really don't know his mission, that he should come up with any allegation that is false that I have said here. But I've not heard him posted anything about me. I've not heard him said anything about me or spoken about me up to date, up to now. But I'm waiting for him. We told you that Nigeria is a death trap. Nigeria is completely down, finished, like I'm saying. Enugu State governor with criminal Tinubu paid sum of $150 million into Ogenkere's account to make a mess of our prime minister. But the man is very intelligent. And that is the last question is answering. Now are we connecting the dots? 779 million naira. That is what they said was missing. Are you people connecting the dots? Is the dots connecting? That is why Musa can be killing our people in the southeast and say they have the power to bring Ekpa back. I have told you that Musa is the highest bandit in the world. Because the moment our prime minister was invited for questioning, Fulanis moved back into the southeast and started unaliving our brothers and sisters, our family, and we have told Musa that Southeast is now a sovereign nation. Your armies that are there are occupying our forest, our roads, our land illegally, that they should move. Otherwise, we'll come heavy on you. And we're not scared to say it because you are an animal. No wonder that when Enugu State's governor was talking, he was bragging. I said I was going to get this evidence and put out there to my fans to know where we are coming from. That what Madam Ngozi Orabueje said is actually the truth. The Biafran you know then is not the Biafran you know now. So Enugu State Governor Peter Oluwole Mba, we have seen your handwork. We have seen your handwork. We Biafrans have seen your handwork. Well done, sir. Mbaye Bidonkai, please don't call us names again because we don't see you na finish. And this thing that you did, it won't go without punishment. This thing that you did, this evil that you people orchestrated, it won't go without being punished. So you connived with the Nigerian government, with the terrorist government to set up our PM. We are coming. We are coming. And you guys, Nigerian government will learn the hard way. Believe that we are coming.
Breaking news. The police high command have revealed that an alleged cyber criminal hacked into the system of the Enugu State government and stole the sum of 1,097,000,000. You see this thing? I don't put everybody high. Now before they go believe this one. Now, Enugu State government come. Which system did they hack? Because money is meant to be in a bank account. Except if I don't know. Again. But what I know is that money is in the bank account. What system was hacked? If na VDM format, that format I don't spoil am. I don't cast harm. As if a spirit have been speaking to me will make me even go do that thing what I do. How was it hacked? I mean, but it's better than to come and tell us that snake swallow the money or monkey carry the money run. You understand? But understand that this format have casted. So the police should investigate deeper. I am not saying that they are lying. The Enugu State government are lying. But the police should investigate deeper. Secondly, if truly, which I don't believe, more just assume say not true. Say they hack inside Enugu State government, carry money. Shout out to the hacker. But please, the money where you carry now, try to may use that for development of the country. You understand? Because these so-called governments for Nigeria, nobody say that they won't do much for the people self. And so, una know so na fit hack state government since. Now una know they Now they go after innocent citizens. So one person no fit just the state government, then he go come start to do all the things where they spoil for Nigeria, like to do road, build the schools, just do some kind of things so we need, like our basic things, like give water to different communities that don't have water, create housing scheme, just by yourself, just to say, okay, you want to increase the minimum wage of Nigerians. If you not say the government's money, for the benefit of all of us now. But then again, Enugu State government, please, people should come with another lie. Or else, let me not call it a lie, for they'll go sue me. Come with another format. Because I want to see evidence of where they took that money from. Provide a clear evidence. Don't come and tell the public that 1.something billion is missing. How? Where was it moved to? Well, I don't put everybody eye. That format no fit work. If na me una say una copy, my own not be real. My own not be real. My own are to show people, say, see, this media is crazy. You need to do well to investigate. And thank God I don't give them practical. So now is the exam. Nigerians, ask them how it moved, where it moved from, and who did it. Which accounts they removed that kind of money from? Which bank was it? What bank did this one happen? What bank? Tell us the bank. And how did the money move? You want to show the accounts where it moved to. You're gone, man. When I go learn. That kind of money supposed to get big security. Stole 1 point. Say they move 1 point something billion from Enugu State government.
The money move, get like.
Hey, but the money they run. Oh. Money that was a boat. Nigeria.